Congratulations for winning in this category. Again, a very, very important category. So, sir, your words, acceptance words.
My greetings to one and all present here. Good evening. At the outset, I congratulate the team careerguide.com, Surabhi, Manas, and Gaurav. I express my sincere gratitude for extending this award to our team. We remain focused to further the cause of graduates and postgraduates in the professional front to identify, realize their potential and their calling. We also committed to contribute to the supply chain of human capital for global marketplace, especially evolving gig economy. We also realize the opportunity in building intelligence to digital systems all over the world. Massive opportunities evolving again like Y2K, AI driven procedures. So we are looking forward for training and facilitating by modifying the collective consciousness of the technology, the educational space. So I wish everybody best of luck, and I also congratulate career guide team for accentuating this career guidance, which is not downplayed, not discussed much in the colleges. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Thampi. Thank you. There's some YouTube on. If one of you can switch it off. Pranav and Dr. Sarita, I would want you to speak in fact, Dr. Thampi and Khajamal Engineering Institute and other institution, because this is the placement time, COVID times, and I would want you to give words of encouragement and also share your thoughts around that.
Sure. So, Dr. Thampi, first of all, very big congratulations from our side on receiving this award. I know that you've got a career that spans over decades, and the things that you mentioned, creating human capital for the world, I think there's no bigger service to mankind than to kind of educate people and impart them the skills and the expertise to kind of play their role out there in the world and kind of take the world forward. And specifically, when you mentioned about the gig economy and the technological advancements that you've been kind of taking care of, I think that's what the world has been moving towards. The world is again moving not in the field of the 9 to 5, but because of the advancement of the internet, the world is moving towards the gig economy. People want the freedom of time, place, as well as money, and they want to kind of be more flexible at what they do. And that's what the world is looking forward to. A big congratulations from my side to you, and we are all inspired by the work that you do. Sir, you are on mute. Yeah.
So congratulations, Dr. Thampi, for the wonderful job you are doing, and the placement cell during this crisis time and stormy times is a much more important role to play, because completing their education and getting well placed or not finding something after it is quite strenuous and traumatic for the students. So wonderful
This year
achievement on
we
your
witnessed
part.
record placement.
Wow.
Especially IT, investment banking, consulting plays the best. Maximum remuneration offered, compensation offered, and maximum number of students.
But do you do the competency mapping according to the professions which they get into?
Not very precisely. There are some process in place, but now going forward, we will be fine tuning all this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because that needs, because the skills which the students need, because usually industry finds a gap between the students learning and performance as a professional. So
We-
that needs to be
Yeah,
built up by the university.
We created a core competency as coding. Coding is conversion of problem to logic is going to be the core competency of the college. Almost every student entering in college develop a lot of competency, massive competency in coding. So that is the key differentiator compared to the other peer group. That is giving rich dividends, coding ability.
Yeah, because that's what will make them adapt to the futuristic jobs. Because the job is changing tremendously.
Correct. That's correct.
So
Thanks a lot.
congratulations on your achievement.
Yeah. Thanks a
And
lot.
move ahead faster.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye.
Team. All right. So congratulations, Dr. Kambi. In fact, it was so nice to hear when you started talking about gig economy. It's very important for principals and directors and educationists sitting inside colleges to understand how the new world of work is changing. So that's very nice that you're talking to your student about it. You're making them prepared and groom about it. So congrats again. Congrats again for winning the award. You will have your
Thanks a
moment.
lot.